Hello everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we've got something cooking that's going to make your everyday life in the kitchen a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a newbie in the kitchen, these appliances are sure to amaze you. Be sure to check out the video description below for all the product links mentioned in this video. Let's jump right into our selection of the most useful kitchen appliances for everyday use. The K-Mini single-serve coffee maker is very slim and easy to use, making it perfect for great coffee anywhere. It has two buttons, one to turn it on and the other to start brewing, along with a water reservoir that can hold up to 12 ounces. To use it, just fill the water reservoir to your desired 6, 8, 10, or 12-ounce level, switch it on, insert a K-cup, and press the big glowing button to begin brewing. It only takes under 3 minutes for the entire process. The Keurig K-Mini brewer offers a stylish and compact design, making it convenient to use and store. It delivers fresh, delicious coffee in minutes. The Magic Bullet Essential is great for making smoothies for single serving. It can blend kale and other fibrous ingredients into a smooth drink. It's not very noisy and fairly easy to clean. It comes with a single 15-ounce jar included, making it a good choice for making smoothies. The Magic Bullet is versatile. It can chop, whip, mix, grind, and do other tasks. The Magic Bullet Blender is a small, space-saving device that can quickly make smoothies. It's powerful enough for small tasks. The Mueller Ultra Kettle boils water incredibly fast and keeps the lid securely closed, ensuring safety and convenience, without any concerns about burning your hands. Its safety features are top-notch, including an auto shut-off function and boil-dry protection. With an anti-slip grip handle and fast boiling capabilities. The 360 degrees clear rotational glass body allows for precise water measurement. It's versatile for all your hot beverage and cooking needs. Its fast boiling speed, indicated by bright LEDs, makes it perfect for tea, coffee, and more. The Instant Pot is likely the most renowned electric pressure cooker, or more precisely, a versatile multi-cooker that can handle tasks like slow cooking and sautéing. The Instant Pot is user-friendly, easy to clean, and versatile. Additionally, the Instant Pot is energy efficient because it retains heat and pressure. It can use up to 70% less energy compared to using an oven or stove. It's fast and convenient too. Plus, its stainless steel finish adds beauty to your kitchen. It's perfect for cooking quick meals anytime, anywhere. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. We'll see you in the next video.